kind of hot.
Yeah, that one wasn't as bad. I didn't have to remove all the extra.
Did you have to remove this?
No, I didn't. That's what.
Good.
Yeah, that's what made it a little quicker than what this one here is going to be.
Yeah, I remember he cussed that one the last time we had to change him.
Yeah. So you had to replace them before?
Yeah, so my truck got electrocuted or something. And killed all my, I think there was lightning in the area, but we didn't see it.
Mm-hmm.
Hear it, we just know when we start up our truck, it didn't come on.
Okay.
And so we had to have it towed to Chevy in New Orleans, and we were in New Orleans camping with our family. And they said our truck got somehow all electrocuted, so we assumed lightning maybe.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah. The one on the right was easy. He didn't have to take anything off except the top things, but he didn't have to remove that bar. But the other one, that's the one he's working on right now. You mean the one to the left? Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, he's working on the one to the left.
To the right, passenger side.
Wait, what? Yeah, I hope it starts, though. If it doesn't, then I'm really screwed. Right, exactly.
Miss Lizzie, I found your problem. It wasn't the battery. Come in.
Oh, shit.
How long has the truck been sitting up? How long has the truck been sitting up?
Overnight.
Overnight?
Yeah.
See this right here?
What the hell?
Yeah, and it's not a clean brake. You can tell it's been broken because.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I went to the Renaissance Fair yesterday and then I drove back here and that was it. Oh my God.
Yeah, as soon as I took this cap off, I noticed this was broken off. So this needs to be replaced.
Oh my God, okay. Where do I get that at? What am I getting?
It is called a main fuse block. Chevy. If you're lucky, maybe Amazon.
Let me call my husband. Oh my God.
Yep.
I cannot, and I'm thinking I'm the one who caused it by plugging something in my vehicle.
Nope.
Or leaving the light on.
Nope, this is your issue right here.
Okay, we found the problem. The
positive terminal.
The positive terminal. Hold on. I'm gonna put him on speaker, that way you can say it.
Hey, how you doing, my man?
Yeah, I'm good.
Hey, man. The positive terminal to the main fuse block is broken.
Okay.
That's the issue. That's why. So I would assume the battery is probably not even the issue. What happened was when I removed the cover, the black cover off of the fuse block, I noticed that the positive terminal was loose. So when I went to lift it up, it was already disconnected.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is it an easy fix? Can you fix it?
Can you fix it today? You'll have to order the part.
Oh, is that something we could pick up right away and we can pay you extra to fix it?
Chevy's gonna be closer. The Chevy would probably be the only place to have. I don't think O'Reilly's or AutoZone would have it. You can call and check it.
It's the cable, right?
No, it's the entire fuse block.
Oh, the fuse block's all screwed?
Yeah. What happened is I guess on the last install, the fuse block must have been cracked, and you guys didn't notice it, or whoever installed it didn't notice it. And when as time went on, I guess the vibration or whatever worsened it, and now it's completely snapped.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know, man.
But that is your issue.
So it needs to go to the dealership.
Not necessarily. I mean, it's an easy fix. You can fix it yourself.
He's not here. He's in Florida.
Well, I'm not here, man. I'm in Florida.
Yeah. All right.
No, I was saying I saw something. What is that street?
If you get the part, I mean, I can put it on for a little nothing, but I mean, you have to get the part.
Yeah.
That part out right now.
Yeah, we won't be able to get it today.
It won't be right, at least until Monday.
Isn't there an AutoZone around there?
Yeah, it's like 10 minutes or 11 minutes away, but do they have that part? I don't know.
If we know what the part is, I would see if that part's there and get it right away.
It's not a part. It's the whole fuse box, man.
It's the main fuse block that sits on top of the battery.
Really?
Yeah. Can you? He's on the iPhone.
No, he doesn't have a phone that has camera because.
Can you send him a photo?
Yeah.
So do we need to just like tow it to a damn dealership and tell them to fix it? Because I ain't got, I mean, I'm in Florida.
I know.
And you're there, and
I mean, it's that's what I gotta do, but how am I gonna get home? I can't even get a rental car today.
No, you can't. I mean, it's like,
Oh my God.
I don't know what to do at this point besides that.
Can
Get an Uber home.
Can you call Tim, see if he can come out here and bring it to a dealership for me?
Bring it to a dealership, the whole truck.
And me?
I mean, you just need to get home. That's it. Just leave the truck. Leave the truck, get home.
Okay, so then what do I do?
And we'll figure it out from there. We'll have them tow it to a dealership and fix it. I mean,
you need to get home. I mean, we can fix it with a truck or start, but I mean, you're gonna have to play.
That's what we need. We need a truck to start.
If I can at least just get it
All
to
right,
my
so
house
look,
at that point.
watch this. Okay, so
Get your truck to start, and that's all we need.
go inside right now. Let's see if we can get it to start. All
All right,
right.
hold on. Let me call you back, okay?
All right, wait.
You want me to go ahead?
Yeah. Let me know when you're ready. I'll show you what I've done. That way you can drive it to Chevy yourself tomorrow. But what you're gonna have to do is have someone else come out here and apply, get up there, and apply pressure to this cable.
Okay.
Because what happens is, see, if I remove it,
It'll eventually lose.
right. And what happens is over time it must have vibrated the way it just worsened. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll be able to get home?
You better get home.
I'm all the way in Prairie.
Yeah, you better get home.
Okay.
The truck is running now, so it's not gonna stop. I mean,